Right, hi guys, welcome back to MK Sportscars. It's just to let you know, we are going to be at the Birmingham NEC Classic Car Lancaster Insurance Show this weekend. That happens from the 7th to the 9th, and you've got 3 days there of touring around the most amazing cars. That's not just us, we're there with several demo cars. I'll talk to you about that in a minute, but there's loads. There's like 4 or 5 halls there, classic cars, modern cars, automobilia. There's just an auction. There's so much going on. Celebrities, you've got people like Richard Hammond and that turning up there. You can see lots of talks, discussions. I didn't even get an opportunity to walk around it. It was that big last year, but I guarantee you it's worth the investment, time, money going there. And best of all, we can actually give you a £2 off a ticket with a code of EM36. That's £2 off a ticket. So you need to get yourself down there either Friday, Saturday or Sunday. Come and see us. We are in hall number 4 on stand 4111. We're going to have 3 demonstrators there for you. We're going to have, what are we going to have? The Sprint 185, the 2-litre Dura Power. We're going to have the RX5 with a Mazda. That's a home build car, Mazda 1.8 engine. We're going to have the infamous track car, the Cup 200 with a Hayabusa engine. Myself, Neil and Steve, we're going to be there to sort of talk you through the builds, talk you through the cars, maybe have a sit, have a try, book yourself maybe a factory visit at some point and come down and have a little tour with us and a little test drive as well. That's all for us. What else is going on the show? Well, lots of things really, from everything from kit cars, which is us, to classic cars, to sports cars, to historic race cars. There's just so much to go and see there. What would I say? Best thing to do, get yourself parked, get yourself organised now, get yourself tickets. But I would bring your own packed lunch because it's a bit pricey down there. I will say that, and maybe a hip flask of tea. But I know we're going to have a fantastic time. We're going to look forward, me and the team, to seeing you on stand 4111 at the NEC show coming up this weekend.